mag-e-exit kami sa Lao. Sa totoo lang, hulas na hulas kami ni Hani. Kasi yung agency, usapan 9 p.m.
Ano pa lang, at 7:24 tumawag. Sabi 8 o'clock daw, nandun na sa pick-up point.
Kumusta naman, di ba? Hindi pa kami naliligo, no? Kaka-dinner lang namin.
Yung
So,
machine namin, iniwan namin eh.
at saka hindi lang yun, hindi kami nakapag-toothbrush. Buti na lang, kaninang umaga, tsaka kaninang lunchtime, nakapag-toothbrush kami. So, ngayong dinner lang kami di nakapag-toothbrush. So, mga ka-vibes, isi-share namin sa inyo paano mag-exit from
Bangkok, going to Vientiane daw, tapos babalik ulit sa Bangkok. Bali, overnight trip to.
Okay mga ka-vibes, see you again! So ayan mga ka-vibes, naantay namin yung service. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung nakikita yung gray na yon. So, yung aming vlog talaga para sa exit namin sa Lao. So, hindi siya short. Medyo hahabaan natin para makwentuhan namin kayo ng proseso. So, dito kami naghintay. Yan. Nasa may BTS. Ano, honey?
BTS Udong Sok. Dito kami sa Sukhumvit 66.
Yun.
Okay, so bumaba kami mga ka-vibes dahil lilipat kami ng bus. So, ito yung sinakyan namin kanina. Yan. Yung gray. So, ito naman ngayon yung sasakyan namin. Yan, yung bus na yan. Wala pa akong tulog. Yan. Tapos pwede mag-CR dito. Bayad ka lang ng 10 baht. Si Kuya, ano din eh. Ayun. So, yun mga ka-vibes. Ay, tsaka kinuha naman pala yung payment. Kinuha na yung payment. Ganun yun. Kahit wala pa sa loob, kunin na yung payment. Yung password. Tsaka yung password. Ayun, sige. Bye-bye.
Oh, wow! You know, not everyone will understand your dream, and that's okay. Some people will question you, and some people will doubt you. Some will even try to pull you back into the life they're comfortable seeing you live. But listen carefully. Their opinion is not your destiny. Mga ka-vibes, you don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need to keep believing in yourself. Even on the days when it's hard, even on the days when it feels like nothing is working. Because the truth is, every great journey comes with resistance. Every dream worth chasing will be tested. And sometimes, the people who doubt you are simply reflecting their own fears, not your future.
And one day, mga ka-vibes, the same people who didn't believe in you will see what you never stopped believing in. There will be days when you feel unseen, unheard, and even doubted by the people around you. But don't let that shake you. Mga ka-vibes, God did not plant that dream in your heart by accident. He saw something in you before anyone else did. He trusted you with a purpose, even before the world would understand it. So when the noise gets loud, go back to Him. Keep showing up, keep praying, keep moving forward, even if it's just one small step at a time.
Because the same God who gave you the dream will be the one who brings it to life. And one day, you won't have to explain your journey. Your life will speak for itself. So mga ka-vibes, if you reach this part, thank you so much for watching and for your support.
Click the links below for our merch and discounts.
Kala ko links na naman. Okay, thank you so much and abangan nyo po yung aming part 2.
We are
Okay.
affiliate nga pala kami ng trip.com.
Yes, sa ayaw at sa gusto nila, affiliated pa rin kami. Thank you!